Look at the pound Australian dollar. So we've basically gone up and we've stalled here. You can see that it's a sort of a channel that we're in. If you draw a trend line here, you can see it's a sort of a channel going that way. And if you was to copy that one, so like if we just copy that line and put it like that, you see that we're in this channel at the minute, at the bottom of this channel. It's a speculative short here because we're saying, okay, it's fell to the upside and we're going to see it break. If it can break here, then we can drop. We're looking for a 50% retrace. If you want to be conservative and it doesn't really move that much, you could probably target about 20 pips down to the 182.50s, low 50s here, which is 38.2, first sort of major fib. So getting in at 73 down to about 53 would give you about 20 pips. But yeah, I was looking for it to break that and give us a decent generous T1 for about 40 pips for a nice 50% retrace. And then when you look on the higher time frame, that's a 1 hour chart. If you look at this 4 hour chart, looking for basically a drop all the way down. We've had a really good bounce up, and we've had a few times price trying to go higher. We've had this 4 hour trend line breach, but then it's failed and it's dropped back below. So this is why, didn't want to do that. This is why we're saying that we're looking for shorts on the pound today. And this morning sort of was a catalyst with the data that came out very poor. So we're looking for a nice little drop down and looking for another bearish candle after yesterday's bearish candle. We've been up, tested the highs, looking for 183, looking for a price to stay below 183 and to drop. Now it's tested, so it'd be nice to see a nice little N shape, complete the N shape here, and drop down and get down to this major 38.2. This is what we're looking at here. Looking at 18135. I've put the target quite generously up here, 18173, to give us a decent 100 pip move, because that would then come back down to test previous support, previous structure, as well as the 4 hour 200 EMA. So decent downside. First sort of downside is the 50 4 hour EMA, which is also 50% of this range here. So it's a good target. See it break down. It can move quite quickly when it breaks, so I'm hoping that it doesn't take all day. We'll see what happens.